Hey, what's going on? This is SkaterBoy91, aka Aaron, and this is a tutorial with an open disk tray. Another one. I know, there's thousands of them. I know. But this is a situation I have in a minute. Get some light. Alright, let's try this Xbox. By the way, it's a Samsung. Oh, it's amazing. This is like one of the most amazing screens I've ever played. Well, never mind. Oddly enough, it's working now. But this is what happened to me. When the Xbox Disc Tray Air came up, my Xbox was like this. And I see the tutorials about, oh, you slam it shut, and you tap on the Xbox, or you do all this other crap, and you know what? It didn't work. So this is what I did. I simply turned off my Xbox, let it sit for a while so that the disc tray can turn off, because you don't want scratches on your disc, and I simply turned it flat. This is probably going to only work for vertical Xboxes. It's flat like this. If you turn it up, maybe it'll work. It's just a simple It's just a simple switching of it. Personally, I like to have my Xbox vertical, so I'm just gonna switch back to that. But yeah, that's how I solved the situation. I just simply laid the Xbox flat on the ground, and it started working again. And that's how I solved the disc tray error. It won't work for everybody. I'm saying that right now. It probably won't work for everybody. It's worked for me now, but I guess a simple turn of the Xbox will work. So if it's vertical, lay it flat. If it's flat, lay it vertical. If you tried everything else, try that. And if it still doesn't work, I'm sorry. I can't help you. Alright, thanks for watching.